Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix WhatsApp call end problem with microphone. So let's get right into it. So if you are facing this problem which says fix WhatsApp call end problem with microphone, so what you can do is just tap and hold on to your power button and you can restart your device, and by restarting your device you will probably fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is just open up your settings application, and after opening your settings application, tap on the search bar which is on the top, and then search for apps. And after searching for apps, inside apps you have to search for WhatsApp. And after searching for WhatsApp, you will find this option called permissions. You just have to tap on that, and after tapping on permissions you will find some options which are allowed and which are not allowed. So inside not allowed, if you find microphone and phone option, you just have to allow them. So after allowing these options, your problems might be fixed. But if this doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is you have to come back, and you will find storage and cache option. You have to tap on that, and now you have to clear your cache. So after clearing your cache, what it does is it will fix any viruses or bugs which are there in your WhatsApp application. So the problem might be because there are some virus or bugs in your WhatsApp, and by clearing your cache, it will clear any viruses or bugs from your WhatsApp application. So after doing this, it might fix your problem. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is you have to come back to your home page, and after coming back to your home page, you have to open up your Play Store application, and then in search bar you have to search for WhatsApp. And after searching for WhatsApp, if you'll find an update option, you just have to update your WhatsApp application. So I don't have an update option, but if you have an update option instead of open, you just have to update your WhatsApp, and by updating your WhatsApp you might fix your problem. So these were the fixes for the problem WhatsApp call and problem with microphone. And that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.